Well, while I'm having my lunch, I'm going to talk about the door. Actually, Trev, can you give me a hand? I've got one full hand.
Oh my gosh. So
these doors are cool.
These are awesome. So they're so quiet, so nice and solid. They'll hold all the way out on a magnet catch, so you don't have to latch anything and just pull on the door to unlock it. And you can keep it locked if you're going to go out for a while and leave the air flowing through if it's a nice cool day and you want to allow some breeze.
They are great doors.
Yeah.
And we have great steps. Hey, do me a favor. Let's do a little test. Like most steps would bounce that beer right off it.
Yeah, you'd lucky to even hold your beer without standing on it. It's just the beer weight.
Yeah, pretty much.
Or water.
Well, now that we've talked about how cool doors and steps are, let's show them inside.
Oh yeah.
It's awesome. Oh. Take off my shoes.